What's up, you beautiful people? Today we're bringing you the media mod for the GoPro Hero 9. Got the water resistant directional mic, 3.5mm mic port, HDMI out port, USB-C port, limited lifetime warranty. So we have on this side here, same thing there, and compatible with Hero 9 Black. Got your different languages, and here we have turn your Hero 9 Black into a production powerhouse. Media mod features a built-in directional mic with wind suppression, 3.5mm mic port, HDMI out, 2 cold shoe mounts, and tough weather-resistant construction. Includes media mod for Hero 9 Black, removable windscreen, vertical mounting buckle, thumb screw. And then we have the different languages, of course, and you can see the different cold shoe mounts and mount on the bottom. Let's go and open this guy up and see what else we have here. Yeah, it's a pretty good system. I have the one for the 8. Kind of enjoy using that. It's just unfortunate it's not water resistant. You get yourself your limited warranty. Paperwork. And then we have ourselves here with our, nothing else in there. Got ourselves our user guide. Attaching functions, features, removable mode buttons, the way they go, inserting camera, and so forth. And I'll keep that in the background just so folks can go ahead and take a read. So good construction with the packaging. Have our thumb screw. And then we have our mount. And then we have ourselves our media mod. And nothing else in this packaging. Pretty good paper mache packaging, gotta admit. And here's our wind resistant mic piece that goes right there. And yeah, the durability of this thing feels a little bit better. That pops right on off there. The mic is here, and it has a nice feel to it, kind of like the feel that you have with your GoPro. And not exactly the exact same, but it does have that similar glossy feel to it, a little bit better construction. You have a more a plastic matte finish on the inside. And these are new here. These are your cover cases, making it a little bit more weather resistant here. That's your 3.5mm. You have your USB-C port, and then you have your micro HDMI port. It's kind of a good plus that they did add those features in there to keep dust and those type of features out. So let's go ahead and apply this into the unit. You're gonna have to take off this piece here. They're pretty good about taking these pieces off. Pops right on out. You have your battery piece here, that piece there. And it has that little spring loading contraption. Both pieces have the spring. And then you just go ahead and input this right on in there. Voila. And then a lot of people say you need some nails to at least bring these things out, but that seems about true. And you can mount them through and you're good to go. And then let's go and take a look at the unit with its weather mic there. Pretty easy to take off. You just pull that piece right there. It comes right on, should pop right on off. Easier said than done. Just like that. It's kind of a nice little gizmo that they give us, a little piece right there for that. Let's take a look at this manual here. just in case anyone loses their manual. You can reference back to this video and have a look here. Mounting, just like that. And your snap-on and your pop-off. Cool. And definitely not water resistance. Everything else is just different pieces in different languages. Anyhow, guys, thank you for watching. This was your GoPro Hero 9 Media Mod. Thanks for watching. Go ahead and leave a thumbs up if you liked the video. Go and subscribe and leave a comment below. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day.